I was in a bit of a unique position. Gerard was coming for sort of middle school, and so I needed a place that would just put him on a good schedule. And my wife taught at the high school, the Roxbury Prep High School. She worked with the principal here, Tim, and so we knew that it would be the type of place that we wanted for Gerard, somewhere that sort of held him to a high standard while at the same time giving him the resources that he needed to be held to that standard. He really prides himself in being a scholar and being good at school and, you know, getting high grades on his IAs, and that very much extends to, I think, his life coming up in high school and after high school. He definitely, you know, has those types of dreams now. This year, Miss Baldwin for Science has been really great for his sort of scholarly pursuits, in that he science has not necessarily been his strongest historically, but this year he's just really like taken to it in really big ways. And I think for the same reasons that any kid really, I think, takes a shine to a teacher. She holds him accountable for when he is, you know, falling short of expectations. When he is succeeding, she is like letting him know he's successful. She's reaching out to us to let us know he's successful, and she knows that for me, she has made it clear that like we are a team, including Gerard, and that I think has really helped him to have like trust in her, trust in, you know, our unit, and sort of just like trust in himself ultimately. So. The school I grew up in, they kind of just let you do whatever as long as you were, you know, not misbehaving, and so that is not the case here, where the kids are held to a high standard, and that has allowed Gerard to really grow and learn about accountability, something I think that is incredibly important for young men to learn, especially in this day and age that we live in. Here, you know, Gerard works hard. He's rewarded for that work when it goes well, and when he falls short, he's told that he's fallen short in a way that still accounts for his like emotional well-being. And honestly, he's a completely different kid than he was 2 years ago. Some of that is just 13 to 15. They're already very different, but a lot of that is sort of the like love and care and consistency that he's gotten over the past 2 years.